So please come close. Take to the face. Close. So you can see these are lesions, pox lesions. This bird is very badly affected with this pigeon pox, and he is around 3.5 weeks old. You can see that he has been rescued by a family. They were actually looking for their lost parent, and he fell down from the rooftop, and she gave me a call to rescue this bird, and I went there. I brought him back. He is in my care now. We are nursing and we are medicating. We are giving him food 4 times in a day, and he's gonna be fine, but it's gonna take at least 1.5 to 2 months for recovery. Then go back. Yes, I'm just come close, come close. So I'm feeding him this food. Just it is force feeding. I'm giving a single sprout at a time. The swallows. Then come close, don't stop. It's continuing. So I'm giving him this rehydration fluid. It's drinking. Come close. He's drinking, he's drinking. He's drinking, good boy. He's receiving special feeding fluids and food from us. This much is enough. Can you pause? Just pause. I'm hand feeding. I'm done with feeding, and I'm gonna put him back in my brooder where I keep him for. Where I keep him inside the brooder, and he sleeps in that. He takes rest. That's a baby bird hospital cage also. Come close. See, he cannot walk. He cannot walk, and his leg is very badly injured also. But he is gonna be fine. You can see that legs are badly affected. And he has got chronic diarrhea as well. See, but he'll be fine. Baby, I'm helping you, okay? You're gonna be fine. You'll be fine, okay? And you will recover faster. You're an angel bird. The bottom line is that pox lesion has stopped increasing now. It's trying slowly because he is in my care since 3 days, and hopefully he's gonna recover in next 1.5 to 2 months. Okay.